Hey everyone, welcome to Friday Night Cocktails. It is time for another cocktail. What are we making tonight? We're going to be making an Ole. For tonight's drink, we need tequila, banana liqueur, and blue Curaçao. And as you'll notice, there's nothing else but spirits. So what we're going to do, we're not going to shake this drink tonight because when it's all spirits or spirit forward, you don't need to shake. And the reason we're stirring is because shaking chills, dilutes a lot, and aerates a drink. And we don't need to do that when it's a spirit forward drink. So we just need to chill it down and give it a bit of dilution. So let's get started. Firstly, we need 45 mils or 1.5 ounces of tequila. This is a 60 ml or 2 ounce measure, but it has got a marking inside for 45. Next, we need banana liqueur, and we need 45 mils or 1.5 ounces. Oops. Oh, it's very hot today and I am sweating so much. We are going into summer. Okay, now we stop here. We don't add the blue Curaçao yet. We're going to stir it and then we're going to pour it into this glass. This is a 120 ml or 4 ounce glass. And we're actually going to have to use a funnel so it doesn't go everywhere because it's very easy to spill. Just give it a stir like this. Swirl it around. It looks mixed in. Not that you can tell when tequila's clear. Okay, so to pour it into here, it's going to take a bit of coordination on my part. So I'm going to stick that there. And then we want to basically stop the ice strainer. Just get a better grip. It's actually quite heavy, especially in my left hand when I'm right-handed, but we managed. So now we need to pull this out, and we are going to add 10 mils of blue Curaçao. Now the blue Curaçao we're going to pour, and we just need 10 mils. And we are just going to pour this very carefully. We aren't layering it, we just want it to go through the drink. That is really pretty. I might just turn up the light so you can really see all the colours. Look at that. Isn't that a gorgeous looking drink? Wow. So many different colours. You've got the gold, the green. It's beautiful. Let's give it a taste. Hopefully it tastes as good as it looks. It's very strong. So just watch that, but it's quite nice. I actually think it would probably be better over ice. So for effect, this looks pretty good, but I might just get an old-fashioned glass and put a whole lot of ice in it and see how it tastes after that. So I've got an old-fashioned glass that I've just filled up with ice. So we're just gonna pour this in. It's gonna lose its effect, but it still should be a very nice drink. So let's just pour that into the glass. Perfect pour, look at that. And actually, it's still very attractive. That is very, very appealing. Very green with some gold. It's a lot more green than it was before. All the green's spread out and a bit brighter and with some lime in there, and that is absolutely stunning. I wasn't expecting it. I was thinking it was going to all mix together and just be some murky mess, but it looks very pretty. I've never made this drink before, so this is the first time for me also, but I'm pretty pleased with its appearance. Let's give it a try. That is nice. Still strong, but of course the ice is going to dilute it a fair bit, which in the champagne flute it wouldn't have. But the champagne flute, I mean, if you don't want to have ice with it and you would rather just drink the spirits, you know, with only a slight amount of dilution, then, you know, go ahead and have it in the champagne flute. The other thing you can do is you can mix it for longer and so it will dilute a bit more. Or you could, if you really want to, you could try shaking it. I'm not sure how that would work out, but you could try shaking. That will get a lot more dilution into it, and we'll chill it a bit more and also give it a bit of air. I'm not sure how it will deal with some air. But anyway, this is a really stunning drink, and it's quite delicious too. You can definitely taste the banana and tequila, of course. Not really the triple sec from the blue Curaçao, but I mean, you know, there wasn't much of that added in, was there? And it's really just to give it this beautiful colour. So I hope you do enjoy this. It's I think it's worth making. If you're not really fond of strong drinks, then definitely have it with a lot of ice, and maybe, you know, mix it with a lot of ice or shake it with a lot of ice, and then just pour your blue Curaçao in at the last minute. Thanks so much for joining me for this week's drink, and I hope you enjoy this cocktail, Ole. So cheers, and I hope you have a fantastic weekend and enjoy your Friday evening. I'll see you next week for another cocktail. So good.